my brush. If you recall, 2.5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we changed this one over. So I'm going to put a Varroa board in there now. And do the same on this one. So we'll check that next week. Excellent. Gonna have a little sneaky peek in this one. There's that. I'm hoping that the two super frames I left in here will come with us. Will have been drawn out with comb. A lot of bees. Wow, yes. So they're not doing what I want them to do. As you hear me say all the time, the bees will do what the bees will do. I'll take this super off so you can see. They are drawing comb up. Typical. I think we will.
Just in case.
It's horrible, but I'm probably going to have to take, well, I will take this comb off. Well, this is fabulous, what they're doing here, apart from this. Right, this is going to cause mayhem. Come on. A little bit of honey in it. Yeah, good. Some in that as well. In fact, think this is going to get sticky. Come on girls, shove. Find your mums. Go, off you get. Get off. Get off. Off. Come on. Off, off. Cookie. Okay, so we've got lots of seal grubs, seal brood, probably about a week and a half. Need more room. Can actually use these, yeah? Again, lots of brood, fabulous queen. And we've actually got a little bit of emerging brood. Oops. Again, more brood, very nice, more brood. One queen cup. No egg. Can't see the queen. Okay, 2 queen cups. That's brood. Can't see the queen. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 queen cups there. Come, shift. Again, lots of brood. I've got another queen cup this side. Can't see the queen. Plenty of waggle dancing going on. Wow. So this is all drone brood. All drone brood. This is not staying in, this is coming out. That's not staying in there. You can see that? It's all drone brood. Both sides. That's coming out. So we'll put some new frames in. Again, we got more queen cups. No eggs in them. That's a good sign. Again, you can see the honey bridge there. Okay, more drone brood. Drone brood even. Not a great deal. No more queen cups. There are a few drones wandering around. More queen cups. Okay, and this one is full of honey. Absolutely rammed with honey. Right. So the cells on this are looking quite big. They could be drones. So when we come back next week, maybe give it a fortnight, and if they're there, we're taking them out. And that will replace drone brood. That we don't need. Got the bees on the side. Come on. Right. I would say they're upset enough now. That's that one down.